morning, everyone. Today is an early morning. My daughter woke up at 7:30ish and the other two kids are still sleeping, so I figured this is a great opportunity to make some blueberry oatmeal muffins. Now, this recipe I found online. It's by Sally's Baking, I believe. I'll make sure to leave the link down below, but I figured we'd try something a little different, something that is still healthy but a bake good, if that makes sense. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now.
So we definitely went to town on these. I do recommend the recipe. The only thing is, I feel like because I made mini muffins, the blueberries were kind of overpowering some of them, and some of them got a little soggy. They do pop out really easily, so see, you can just pop them out because there's just so much butter in it. But I do like that there's no sugar. It just uses honey. I used maple syrup instead, and it tasted really good, so I would give this a thumbs up for sure. Now I'm going to be baking a snack basically for the evening, and it's going to be a combination of the Simple Meals banana almond flour baking mix, and it's this one right here. It's awesome. Like, I love this brand. They do such a good job of just making it, I don't know, feel like as close as possible to flour. So that is going to be our snack for the evening because, you know, we're coffee drinkers. As a good Colombian, we drink coffee in the evening as well as in the morning. And you can't have coffee without a snack. All right, so to begin, we're gonna be doing a loaf, and it calls for 3 eggs, half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil. But we're going to supplement this with some other things. So to begin with, I have half a box of cake mix, so we're going to add half a box.
Wow, Mama, cheers also.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna be using this whole grain organic oat flour blend. I get this one at Walmart. Clearly, I shop a lot there. And we're gonna be using 1 cup. Here you go, do the honor. Woohoo! 1 cup. We're gonna use this ripe banana. It's super ripe, but the riper the better, my friends, because it means that it's just so much sweeter. Next, we're gonna use 2 eggs. Get it, buddy, get it. There you go. 2 eggs. 1 more. Oh, there we go. We've got 2 eggs. We're gonna put 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. Ready, set, go! We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Alright, set, go! Good job, buddy. Now we mix.
Circle.
Yeah. Now you can use a spatula if you would like, or you can use a handheld mixer. I find that the handheld mixer is a little faster, but I really don't feel like bringing it out. So we're gonna use the good old spatula. It looks pretty thick. You can add a little bit more almond flour. You can add the 3rd egg, or what I normally do is I add 2 ripe bananas. But since I only had 1, that's why it's looking a little kind of thicker than I want it to be. So instead of adding a 3rd egg, I'm just gonna add a splash of almond milk, and that should correct this. Next up, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I find that coconut oil just gives it a really nice taste. Like this. This is what it looks like, and it tastes really good. It's nice and fluffy. It's not overly sweet because we only use half a box, but it's perfect to feed the kids as a snack or with my coffee. Because like I said, we are definitely eating this with coffee. But hello, it is the next day, and today is a very special day because it's a birthday party! Yeah! Our baby girl is turning 1 today. And we're gonna be making cake. Alright, to start off, we're gonna be using this Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix. You can use any chocolate cake mix that you want. I specifically like the Simple Mills, but my Walmart did not offer it, so we had to use this. Obviously this has a lot of sugar in it, but that's okay. We're only going to use half a box of cake mix because I'm going to make a small cake. But if you want to do the full bag, you totally can. So for this, I just like to pinch half of the box cake mix and place it in here. Next, we are going to use some vegetables. So I'm going to shred it with my Salad Master machine, but you can use a normal shredder. It's probably about 1 cup of vegetables that we're going to use, because the next vegetable I'm using is this carrot. And last but not least, we're going to use 1 celery. So as you can see, it's about 1 cup of shredded vegetables and a chocolate cake. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs. This is going to give a lot of moisture to the cake. And the vegetables are going to release a lot of that moisture as well. So we're not gonna add any water or milk. Okay, so the batter is done, and now I'm actually going to cook it inside my cookware. This cookware functions as an oven as well, but if you don't have this cookware, have no fear. You can always place it in a cake pan. Just make sure to grease it with some sort of oil. I'm gonna be using coconut oil in mine, and then place it in your oven. You're just gonna go ahead and follow the cake box instructions when it comes to the temperature, and it's gonna cook the same way with the vegetables. Sticking, which is fine. It still comes off really easily. This part is actually really good. We have here our beautiful cake. Now what I like to do is grab some Hershey. You can use dark chocolate, whatever chocolate you want. They have white chocolate you can put on here. And I'm just gonna use this. And since it's hot, I'm gonna place it on here and spread it, and then it's going to melt, and that's going to be the icing for our cake.
Some people cruise, some people try to get tired. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got
enjoyed that little recipe. It's super easy and nutritious in a way. I mean, you still got a lot of sugar in that box, so I definitely recommend the Simple Mills box. If you can find that one, it's much healthier. It still has a little bit of sugar, but just not as much as these. But my kids loved it, they ate it, and you know they're eating celery, carrots, as well as zucchini. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.